I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the program or system where you will change resolution is open and focused. This avoids confusion. Once done, open the Display or Settings menu immediately and scan for a resolution or graphics option. Make sure you have administrator rights if the option is grayed out, because system dialogues often require elevation. You're doing this now to access the changer directly, so skip unrelated menus and go straight to the display controls to begin adjustments. You should now open the resolution drop-down or slider. Click the control labeled Resolution, Screen Size, or similar. Once visible, pick a preset like 1920x 1080 or switch to custom and type exact values. This matters because aspect ratio and refresh interplay with clarity. After selecting, click Preview or Apply to test changes without committing. This lets you confirm scaling and UI fit. If the display looks right, commit the change. If not, now finalize by clicking Confirm or Save. Many systems auto-revert in 10-15 seconds if you don't confirm, so be ready to keep it. If the screen goes blank or black, don't panic. Wait 15 seconds for the auto-restore, then choose a different resolution. If the changer lacks expected options, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date and that connections, HDMI, DisplayPort are secure. Finally, reboot if settings don't stick, and you'll be back at the correct resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.